Today I'm taking the drone to a park and try to get some more flight experience. Maybe I'll take it out of beginner mode too. There's a lot more space out here. And I've got to change some of the video settings too, because I wasn't even shooting in 4K last time. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So like in my last video, I took off in beginner mode as a warm-up. Now that I'm flying outside, this mode feels painfully slow, and I found myself wanting to immediately try normal mode. I also didn't set the camera settings correctly. As you can see, the footage is just way too bright. So after a couple of minutes, I turned around to land and fix these issues. So I ended up having to leave the park, but I'm parked somewhere else now, and there shouldn't be any problems over here. I'm liking normal mode a lot better. It's still only about half the capability or top speed of the drone. That would be sport mode, but I think I gotta do my due diligence in normal mode before I touch that. But yeah, so far I'm enjoying myself. Hopefully I can fly from here back over to the park, because apparently that's a little loophole. The park ranger was telling me, the guy who told me to leave, that if you park outside of county land, you could fly your drone onto county land and get away with it. So, yep, that's it for now. Well, that's it for today's video. Feeling pretty confident in normal mode now, so maybe in the next one I'll go sport mode. I'm also trying to go film somewhere a little less, I guess, normal, just not a neighborhood. There's also a lot of interference from the houses, as we found out, so I think somewhere deeper out in nature would be better. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Until next time.